Hello friends and welcome to lesson 74 of the first lessons book by Julio Sagreras. Let's start preparing our left hand by bringing finger 1 to string number 2 fret number 1 and finger 2 to string number 3 fret number 2. We are also going to need the open 5th and open 1st string. To prepare our right hand, we're going to bring the thumb to string number 5, the index to string number 3, the middle finger to string number 2, and the ring finger to string number 1. Then, as usual, we lift it just a little bit, making sure that the tip of our fingers are very close to the strings, because that is going to make it easier to get the right string at the right time. With our hands like this, we are ready to start. We begin measure number 1 by plucking open strings 5 and 1, string number 2, string number 3, string number 2 again, strings 5 and 1 at the same time, and strings 2 and 3 at the same time with index and middle. To go into measure number 2, we're going to change the location of finger number 2, bringing it from string number 3 fret number 2 to string number 5 fret number 2. We are going to pluck strings number 5 and 1 at the same time as we bring finger 1 to string number 3 fret number 1 and finger 4 to string number 2 fret number 3. We're going to keep the pressure of finger number 2 and we're going to pluck strings number 3 and 2 at the same time 2 times in a row. Measure number 3 starts with finger 4 on string number 2 fret number 3 and we pluck strings 6 with the thumb and 2 with the middle finger at the same time as we bring finger 1 to string number 3 fret number 1 and finger 2 to string number 1 fret number 1. We've removed finger 4 and we pluck at the same time strings 1, 2 and 3. We follow with an open 6th string and we are going to remove finger 2 and keep finger 1 as we pluck the first 3 strings at the same time. And to go to measure number 4, we bring back finger number 4 to string number 2 fret number 3 and we are going to pluck 2 strings at the same time, string number 5 with the thumb and string number 2 with the middle finger. As we bring finger 2 to string number 3 fret number 2 and finger 1 to string number 2 fret number 1 as we remove finger 4 and we pluck strings 2 and 3 at the same time twice. Measure number 5 starts with 2 strings at the same time, open 5th and string number 2 on fret number 2 with finger number 3. We're going to pluck them at the same time with thumb and middle fingers as we bring finger number 2 to string number 3 fret number 2 and we pluck it with the index finger. 2 strings at the same time, open both of them, strings 5 and 2 with thumb and middle, and finger 3 goes back to string number 2 fret number 2. We pluck it with the index finger as we keep finger 4 close to string number 2 fret number 3 because that's the first finger that we need to press with on measure number 6. We begin measure number 6 with open 4th string with the thumb and finger 4 on string number 2 fret number 3 plucked by the middle finger at the same time as we bring finger number 2 to string number 3 fret number 2, pluck it with the index finger, string number 2 again on fret number 3 with the middle as we bring finger 1 to string number 1 fret number 1 and we pluck that string with the ring finger as we pluck string number 4 with the thumb. And we finish that measure with fingers 2 and 4 on strings 3 fret number 2 and string 2 fret number 3 and we pluck them at the same time with index and middle. Measure number 7 begins with 3 notes at the same time. Open 6th string, string number 3 fret number 2 with finger 2, and string number 2 fret number 1 with finger number 1. We pluck them at the same time with thumb, index, and middle fingers. And then we are going to bring finger number 1 to string number 3 fret number 1, and we're going to pluck the same strings, 6, 3, and 2. Making sure to keep finger 2 close to string number 3 fret number 2, because measure number 8 begins with that finger pressing on the A note. We pluck 2 strings at the same time, string number 5 with the thumb and string number 3 with the index finger, string number 6 with the thumb, and string number 5 with the thumb again. The left hand position on measure number 9 begins with finger 3 on string number 5 fret number 3 and finger 1 on string number 2 fret number 1. We are going to start with 2 strings at the same time, string number 5 and 1 with the thumb and with the ring finger, followed by string number 2 with the middle finger, string number 3 as an open string with the index, and we go back to string number 2 with the middle finger, still with finger number 1. Then we bring finger 1 to string number 1 fret number 1, and we remove finger 3, and we pluck at the same time strings 4 and 1 with the thumb and ring fingers. We continue with open 3rd and 2nd strings with index and middle at the same time. To begin measure number 10, we press at the same time finger 2 on string number 4 fret number 2 and finger 4 on string number 1 fret number 3. We pluck those strings with thumb and ring fingers as we bring finger 1 to string number 2 fret number 1, and we pluck strings 3 and 2 at the same time with index and middle fingers. To play measure 11, we start with finger 4 on string number 1 fret number 4, and we pluck at the same time string number 6 and 1 with thumb and ring fingers, as we bring finger 3 to string number 3 fret number 4 and finger 2 to string number 2 fret number 3. We are going to remove finger 4 as we pluck simultaneously the first 3 strings with index, middle, and ring fingers. We are going to keep fingers 3 and 2 in the same spot throughout the measure, and we are going to bring finger 1 to string number 1 fret number 2, and we pluck the first 3 strings at the same time, and we continue with finger 4 on string number 1 fret number 4, 3 first strings at the same time again. We can take advantage of the fact that we are not using finger number 1 at the end of measure 11 to prepare it for the half bar that we need to do on measure 12. Measure 12 starts with our finger 1 pressing strings 1, 2, and 3 at the same time. We are going to pluck 2 strings at the same time, string number 5 with the thumb and string number 1 with the ring fingers. And then strings 2 and 3 at the same time with index and middle fingers twice. Measure 13 starts with finger number 4 on string number 1 fret number 3 and an open 4th string played at the same time with thumb and ring fingers. And we continue with 3 strings simultaneously, strings 1, 2, and 3. We are going to bring finger 1 to string number 1 fret number 1, finger 2 to string number 3 fret number 2, and finger 3 to string number 2 fret number 3. We pluck them at the same time. We follow with an open 4th while we keep the position of the left hand intact, and we finish measure 13 with strings 3 and 2 at the same time with index and middle. I find it easier to play if I think of the D minor chord as the structural chord of the measure, and I consider finger 4 to be an ornament of the chord. So we have the D minor shape. We start with open 4th and 1st string, then the D minor, open 4th, and the D minor again, strings 3 and 2. Measure 14 starts with 3 notes at the same time, strings 6, 3, and 2. String 6 open, string number 3 on fret number 2 with finger 2, and string number 2 on fret number 1 with finger 1. We pluck them at the same time with thumb, index, and middle. We are going to keep fingers 1 and 2 in the same spot throughout measure 14. We are going to play 3 strings at the same time, strings 1, 2, and 3, open 6, and strings 2 and 3. To play measure 15, we need to press string number 3 on fret number 1 with finger number 1, and we're going to play 3 strings at the same time, strings 6, 3, and 2. We're going to keep finger 1 right where we have it, and we're going to play string 6, 3, 2, and 1 at the same time, trying to keep finger number 2 close to string number 3, fret number 2. As it is the first finger we need to press at the beginning of measure 16, string number 3, fret number 2, and we play strings 5 and 3 at the same time, thumb and index. And we finish the piece with a half bar on fret number 5, plucking 4 strings at the same time, strings 5, 3, 2, and 1. And there you have it, lesson 74 of the first lessons book by Julio Sagreras. As usual, in the description box down below you will find a link to a play-along video so you can play this piece with me at a slower tempo, and also links to other good resources for your learning. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one, and always remember to enjoy the process.